cares for colossal structures. He wants to visit them all. Clint climbs on top of the Cristo Rey statue in Cali, Colombia. Clint is feeling hot and tired and decides to have a break. He drinks an ice-cold Coca-Cola. Clint decides to visit a cool castle. He can't seem to stop staring at the castle's beauty.
I bet the king is wearing the biggest crown ever.
Clint hears a loud noise at the corner of the castle.
Ah, a circus!
The circus clown is riding in his cute car.
I think they are going to perform a couple of tricks for the crowd inside the castle.
Clint decides it is time to walk back home. He puts a CD in his CD player and walks calmly back to his own house.
What an awesome day this was!
Clint cries out. His cat is so happy to see him.
Next time you must come along,
Clint says to Caden Cat. Listen to the different k phonics. C-phonic, CD, CD player, circus, k-phonic, Clint, Cali, Colombia, Cristo Rey, crown, clown, car, Coca-Cola, cat, castle. Let's write the k-phonic. This is the small k-phonic. Start at the dot, go along his curved lines. This is the capital k-phonic.